a huge part of our journey because it reflects our journey. And yung song na yun, kahit it's ironic na karera it means race, but it focuses on how we should not take life na it's a race. Kasi lahat tayo parang may mga nakuuna, nahuhuli. But it doesn't mean na nahuhuli ka, nauna ka. You know, basta ang important is you're there in the race and you get to finish that race. Saka alam mo, yung life naman, hindi naman talaga race. Journey siya. True. True.
Yes. Tsaka in God's time, talagang ma-reach mo yung everything. Huwag ka ma-pressure sa mga kasama mo na, ay, bakit sila nakukuha na nila yung ganito, bakit sila ganito na, ganyan na. Because you have your own journey. So you have to enjoy it.